Macele and Mayeni, they hate Makumalo. Because Makumalo, I saw that she looks like she is someone who is pretending to be a good person in front of camera. You understand? Because she is spoiling Musamseleku in front of camera. She is buying him presents, perfumes, whatever in front of camera. And million people are seeing it in front of camera. She is putting pressure on the other wives. You understand? She is putting pressure, and Msamselek doesn't love Makumalo so much. But Makumalo, she is trying that Musamseleku to be in love with her. Maybe it's just because Makumalo, she doesn't have children with Musamseleku. You understand? She is trying to spoiling him, but it's wrong, guys, that you are buying presents in front of camera. You are giving your husband, because last time she was giving Musamseleku's those presents, and Musamseleku, she wants to refuse to take those presents because it's in front of camera. But when she is giving him behind the camera, he will appreciate her. You understand? Because, guys, in front of camera, you want to prove that, though, you want to prove to the people that you are only good wife to Musamseleko. You understand? You are putting pressure on other wives to that they are buying presents to Musamseleku now. You understand? Because you are buying him in front of camera, and people will talk about it. You understand? Guys, in Istanbul there is no competition, guys. Yes, in Istanbul there is competition. You understand? There is competition on Istanbul on polygamy, but not in front of camera. Because that's why Mayeni tells Makumalo that you feels like you are the only wife of Musamseleko. You understand? Because most of the times she wants to be a good girl, a good wife, a good wife, a good wife. Because what Musamseleko says, she can says yes, yes, yes. If those things are wrong things, Makumalo, she can say yes. Macele and Mayeni, they don't pretend. Mayeni and Macele, I love them because they don't pretend to anyone. Mayeni, she can say no if those things they are not comfortable to her. But Makumalo, everything, guys, everything. That's why Macele and Mayeni, they hate Makumalo so much. You understand? Because she wants to be a good wife all the times.